How to recover password on Facebook Lite. Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to easily recover your password on Facebook Lite if you have forgotten it. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's get right into it. First thing first, you need to open up your Facebook Lite and you will be welcomed by this login page. Here, all you need to do is tap on forgotten password. You don't even have to enter your email address or your phone number. You can directly click right here. And once you get here, you will have an option to find your account. So if there is any phone number that's connected to your account, you can enter it. Or if you don't have phone number and just your email connected to it, tap on this option where it says search by your email address or name instead. Tap on it and you can enter your email address right here. Then tap on the search and here the account has been found right here, and you can directly enter your password. But in this case, if you don't remember your password, tap on try another way and you will have to confirm to try another way again. Now here you actually have different options. So you first option is you have to send a verification code on a Facebook notification on another app or another device. So if you're logged in on any other devices, it will send a notification there. If you don't have it, you can directly send it to your email, which I'm going to do right now, and then tap on continue. So once you do that, a verification code will be sent to your email. Now I'm just going to check my email right here. So as you guys can see here, I have the verification code sent to me on my email. I'm just going to copy this and then paste the code right here. Once you do that, tap on continue. Now here you have an option to create a new password. So I recommend you use different kind of letters, uppercase letters, numbers, and different symbols to make your password strong, but make sure to store it somewhere safe where you can retrieve it when you require it. So that's pretty much it for this video. I will see you guys on the next one.